Hello everybody and welcome to the video of the unboxing of the 10th planet, and this is like a 2 scale one, so there's also another DVD in this as well. This is going to be a quick video because I am rushing on this video because I'm going to be quite busy today, so I'm going to get this video done as quickly as possible. So I'll be unboxing right now. And let's show the first one, obviously. And here we go. Here is the 10th planet. So this, I'm just gonna show a bit on this. It's well, Cybermen, the first appearance of the Cybermen, and they are quite creepy in this. We've got William Hartnell right here. I wish this picture was of William Hartnell of the Regeneration scene, because this story is unique for the first Regeneration. At the side and the back. Let's take a look inside. We've got the booklet. We've got disc 1 and disc 2. And the back of the book. Well, I'll be reviewing the 10th planet on Friday, I will, because I'm going to be very busy, so I can't really watch it anytime soon, but I'll be watching it on Friday, and I can't wait to watch it and review it. And the next one is a Patrick Troughton story of the Mind Robber, which I will be collecting Patrick Troughton's surviving episodes, I will. Yeah, I really can't wait to watch this one actually. Apparently some people say it's really good. It's a lot of people's favourite Patrick Troughton story, so can't wait to watch it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing DVD showcase. 10th planet, I really can't wait to watch this on Friday as well, with the Mind Robber. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.